Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Favormony Foldable Electric Pressure Washer with 3.2 gallons tank. There are features include: ultimate portability. Compact enough to fit in your trunk, this foldable pressure washer expands to a 3.2-gallon tank, making it the perfect companion for camping trips and outdoor adventures. Cordless pressure washer. Compatible with Type-C chargers, the spray washer can be recharged using your phone charger or power bank, ensuring you're ready for any emergency. Enjoy 30 to 60 minutes of use on a full charge. 4-in-1 nozzle. Switch easily between modes, 0 degrees, 45 degrees, spray, brush, for various tasks. The integrated brush helps tackle tough jobs, from cleaning camping gear to washing outdoor furniture. Versatile for all scenarios. This all-in-one pressure washer handles car washing, garden care, pet cleaning, outdoor showering, and more. Meet all your cleaning needs for a variety of outdoor activities. Pet-friendly cleaning. The water pressure washer features a gentle spray mode, allowing you to wash your furry friends, keeping them happy and clean after outdoor fun. Warm and cold water compatibility. Use with both warm and cold water, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, for maximum cleaning power. Warm water with detergent tackles grease 3 times faster, while cold water provides freeze protection in winter conditions. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.